Hey, I'm Dionysios from buycompanyname.com. Today I will present how you can update your name servers or your A records if you want to use your GoDaddy domain with hosting from another company like Hostinger, SiteGround, Bluehost, and other hosting providers. Before I start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe on the channel. And the most important is to leave a comment below with any additional question. Okay, let's start. I have already signed in and now I need to find my domains list. I will click here upright, my username, and I can access my domains either from here, from quick links, manage domains, but sometimes for reasons I don't know, you can't see the quick links, so you can go here on my products. I will see the list of my domains and I scroll down and click manage all, here or here. I want to mention that GoDaddy often changes its interface, so you probably will see a slightly different one based on your country too. Let's choose manage all. You can also use that link here and you can visit directly your domains. As you see, you can copy that and paste and you will be in that page immediately. I will search for the domain I want to adjust. I can quickly choose the domain name and update name servers. For example, I use Hostinger. I just copy paste these name servers. I save them. I see that message. Yes, I consent and continue. Keep in mind that this can take up to 48 hours to see the changes live on your site, but usually happens within 3 hours. These are the name servers for Hostinger. These are for Bluehost. On SiteGround, you need to log in on the dashboard, on your dashboard, and find the information. Probably it's different for every account. You can see here. I don't use SiteGround, so I'm not familiar with the interface. For Shopify, you just connect them automatically. It's very easy. And for HostGator, you need to check your welcome email or visit the cPanel and find your name servers. Don't use those ones. Log into cPanel to find out the name servers you should use. So for some hosting companies, the name servers are standard ones, and for others are more personalized. If I click on this domain, I can see more advanced details, and I scroll down to find more advanced settings for DNS. Usually it is enough just to update name servers if you use a different hosting company, but in the same time you have a GoDaddy domain. You can also edit your A records. You can see here what you need to complete, and instead you can use an IP. I would like to mention that the IP address is just where your website actually lives, in a server, meaning a specialized computer. So by doing that adjustment with name servers or with the IP address of the server, we say to the world that, hey, this domain points to that server. This is what a record does. By the way, don't worry for all these links for the different hosting company. I will have them all below in the description so you can adjust your settings according to your web hosting provider. Okay, that's all from me. Don't forget to leave a comment below if something is unclear or if you have any idea for a future video. Bye!